결국 덱스터의 미숙함으로 사고가 일어났고
Death in 1991.
그가 증거를 인멸하기 위해 남은 시간은
Another, which meant I only had 15 minutes to do a little cleanup.
경찰이 도착하고 하지만 해리는 이 모든 상황을 이미 파악하고 있었습니다.
Then why am I hearing his name on my police radio?
해리는 항상 이런 상황을 걱정하고 있었고
This was an accident.
An accident means you didn't think through all the possibilities. You have to be in control.
사실 그의 속마음은
I knew you weren't ready. Clearly, you're still not. Training exercises only.
이렇게 덱스터의 다크 패신저도 한동안 세상 밖으로 나올 수 없게 됐네요. 한편 해리는 로라와의 선을 지키려 하지만
What happened the other night? It was great, but it can't happen again.
하지만
Fuck. Well, we all know what day it is.
그리고 오늘은 해리의 부인 도리스의 기일이었고
Maybe we could all stop by her grave later.
No, of course.
Thanks, Dad. 5 is great.
해리의 약속이 벌써부터 불안하네요. 덱스터는 지문 채취를 위해 그날 밤 교통사고 피의자의 취조실에 들어가는데 마리아가 어린 가해자를 위로하는 말을 듣고
You're not a murderer. You're a human being. Accidents are a fact of life. Bad things happen, but they don't have to define you. What matters most is what you do next. How you grow from this is up to you.
LaGuardia was right. Our mistakes don't.
덱스터는 자신이 무엇을 해야 하는지 깨닫게 됩니다.
What kind of drug could sedate an animal that large?
Probably a torphine.
Great.
한편 해리는 또 다른 연쇄살인 사건의 용의자 리바이 리드의 재판에 담당 형사로서 출석했는데요.
What made you decide?
하지만 재판은 해리의 생각과 다르게 흘러갔고
But you're certain Miss Reed was at this house the night of the incident?
All the evidence points to Mr. Reed being there at the time of the crime, yes.
All the evidence? Detective Morgan, have you ever seen this woman before?
Fuck you!
Yes. She was trying to alibi the defendant.
An alibi you purposely omitted from discovery because it didn't fit your narrative.
She was totally stoned, obviously lying.
Detective Morgan, are you a psychiatrist too?
She couldn't put two words together. She didn't know what day of the week it was.
Yes or no?
Yes.
결국 판사는 뒷목 잡는 판결을 하게 됩니다.
Case dismissed. You're free to go.
덱스터는 마리아의 말처럼 실수해서 배워가고 있었고
This was my drug of choice.
우리가 예상했듯 해리와 덱스터는 각자의 사정으로
Fuck it.
데브라와의 약속을 지키지 못했지만
Maybe it's time I stop waiting for Dad and Dex to change.
그녀에게도 이제 자신의 곁을 지켜주는 사람이 생겼네요. 한편 해리는 점점 더 로라와 함께하는 시간이 늘어났지만 더 이상 그녀와 함께하면 안 될 이유가
We could celebrate. I'm pregnant.
그리고 해리는 이번 재판에서의 실책으로 인해
Consequences. You're off the Jimmy Powell case. You're going to be working the bottom of the homicide list with LaGuardia until this cools down.
사실상 좌천을 당하게 되네요. 덱스터는 더욱 발전된 자신의 기술을 준비하는데 그 실험의 대상은
Dad, you can't stop this anymore.
몇 시간 전
Harry was a moral man, but when a child killer went free because of his own mistakes, his morality could be pushed aside when he thought no one was looking.
Where are my fucking clothes?
Dad, you were right. I made a mistake with Mad Dog. But we all make mistakes. You made a mistake in court. And you were about to make an even bigger one tonight. What would you have done if I wasn't there? Bad things happen. But they don't have to define us. What matters most is what we do next.
덱스터는 해리와 자신이 실수했지만 그럼에도 그 실수를 통해 한 걸음 더 나아갈 수 있음을,
Let me be me.
그리고 해리의 실수를 만회할 방법을 알려줍니다.
Take him out.
Deb asked me what I miss most about you, and I couldn't tell her the truth. I miss someone looking at me and seeing a chance at goodness, even if it wasn't there. Dad saw something different, that I could never be good, but maybe I could still do good. I hope he's right, because there's no going back. Bye, Mom.
모건 부자와 마리아는 또 다른 현장에 나왔는데요. 덱스터는 두 장의 비닐봉지를 통해
Murder weapon.
It's a plastic bag, Dexter.
It's two. He wanted to savor the kill. Even brought a spare bag like it was part of the plan. See the fear in the victim's eyes as he died? It was pleasurable for him.
자신만이 알아낼 수 있는 진실에
Fired by
접근했고
the same gun.
최근 일어난 세 건의 살인이
One in Overtown and the sex worker in Coconut. Intimate. It's evolving.
한 명의 연쇄 살인범에 의한 소행일 것이라고 추측했습니다. 한편 경찰서로 걸려온 한 통의 전화에 서장은 심각해지는데 전부인과 그의 남편에게 무슨 일이 있었던 것 같은데요. 몇 시간 전
Nikki, put your shoes on. Come on, we're already late. No one. Oh, shit. Mom?
정황상 이 사건의 범인은
You knew that they targeted the kids of public officials, and then you went on national television and threatened them?
그리고 덱스터는 이들에게 남은 시간이
We have 10 days. But with the Powell boy, it was 12 days before the body showed up. Finger on day 4, body on day 12.
그리고 로라는 카르텔의 핵심에 가까워질수록
Alfredo here was taking a little something for himself. This is what happens to liars, Laura. Jesus.
Looks like you just got yourself a promotion.
자신이 위험해지고 있음을 느꼈고 이런 와중에 해리는 그녀와의 관계를 더 이상 유지하기 힘들어집니다.
Harry, you're a father again. You know what that means, don't you? Whoever it is, you can't see her anymore.
I promise.
한편 덱스터는 해리와 자신의 실수를 만회할 세 번째 사냥을 시작합니다.
Tonight was the night. It all came down to this, waiting for nature to call. I had prepared. I was ready.
Do you know who I am?
No, should I?
I'm Dexter Morgan. Harry Morgan's son. The night you went free, Harry was there. He was gonna blow your brains out. To stop him? Harry's not that kind of guy. He trained me. You deserve it.
또한 경찰서장의 아들의 사건은 전혀 진척이 없는데요.
Aaron, there's nothing to go on.
Could happen to Nikki in the next few days if we don't fight it.
좌절하고 있을 서장의 감정을 누구보다 잘 알고 있을 해리는
That feeling is never going to go away. And there's always going to be some things that are out of our control. We can't protect them from everything. These guys are the best at what they do, Aaron. Because of you, they're gonna get Nikki back.
아들이 살해될 것을 두려워하는 서장과 아들의 살해를 두려워하는 해리, 그리고 두 아빠의 걱정은 현실이 되고 있는데
Let me out of here! I want to go home!
Was my father's code all that kept me from being a real monster?
I need that window down, sir.
I've got a body in the back of the truck. What could be worse?
결국 악어가 처리하지 못한 토니의 잔해가 발견됐네요. 하지만 이제 날뛰기 시작한 다크 패신저가
I'm with forensics.
쉽게 잡힐 리는 없었습니다.
You everyone out in there?
그렇다고 모든 난관이 끝난 건 아니었고
Those fingers aren't going to print themselves.
Produce at least partial prints.
Bon appetit.
Full sweep.
Alligator came out of nowhere. I'm lucky I got out of the way in time, but it took the arm. Swam off.
이렇게 이번 사태도 가까스로 막아냈습니다. 그리고 덱스터는 아직 트럭에 실린 리바이를 처리해야만 합니다. 그러나 덱스터는 더욱 큰 고민에 빠지는데
Your goal should be to not get shot at in the first place.
Harry was right. No victim dumping ground meant no killing, and no killing was no good.
한편 서장의 아들 니키가 납치된 지 4일이 지났고 그것이 의미하는 건
Knocking down doors.
Jimmy Powell went missing and his fingers showed up.
그리고 마리아는 최근 해리와 수사 중인 사건이 연쇄 살인범에 의한 것이라는 보고를 하는데요.
All the victims come from high-risk population, all owners. Nothing was taken from them, so robbery isn't a motive. He's experimenting. He's becoming more violent. He's figuring out what he finds most pleasurable.
한편 니키는 경찰의 아들답게
Come in here and make me eat the motherfucker!
범인을 도발해 빈틈을 찾으려 했지만
Let me go! Let me go!
최근 절친 소피아와 다투고 기분이 상한 데브라에게 평소 사이가 나빴던 친구가 시비를 걸었고
Boyfriend got
결국 데브라는 화를 참지 못하는데
my office now.
그리고 메트로 경찰서엔 다시 한번 불길한 소포가 도착하는데
Masuka Morgan, my office.
덱스터는 소포 포장에서 중요한 단서를 찾는데요.
Could this be the killer's blood?
It's a long shot, but any lead is worth exploring. Let's pull both samples so we can test. Good eye, Dexter.
결국 예상했던 최악의 상황이 서장에게 닥칩니다.
We ran the print, and it matches school records. I'm sorry, sir, the finger does belong to your son. We did notice a small spatter of blood on the outside of the box, but there's a chance that it could be the perp's blood.
Thank you.
한편 마리아는 잠입 수사의 최종 목표인 카르텔 보스에게 이르렀는데요.
Most are happy to remain in the middle ranks, but you have a hunger. What is it that drives you?
My family. I want to provide a comfortable life for them.
Right, and what is it? Oh yes, Dexter. Interesting name. There's a large shipment going out next Tuesday. I'd like you to be at the shipyard to learn more about the operation.
Thank you, Mr. Estrada.
Pleasure to finally meet you, Laura. Keep an eye on her.
그리고 덱스터는 니키의 손가락에서 새로운 사실을 발견하는데
Hesitation cut. No hesitation cut on Jimmy's finger.
왜 범인은 유독 니키에게는 주저했던 걸까요? 데브라는 학교에서의 소란으로 결국
How come you're not at practice?
Got kicked off the team and suspended from school.
점점 엇나가기 시작합니다. 한편 이른 아침부터 서장은 아들의 사건을 검토하고 있는데요.
I noticed a small hesitation cut on Nikki's finger, but not on Jimmy Powell's. Or maybe even someone who feels some kind of connection to Nikki. Ouch.
Trying to fix the air conditioner in my shitty apartment. If you have any other theories that could help me find out who did this to Nikki, come to me directly.
그 순간 덱스터는 상상도 못할 가설이 떠올랐고
How had I not seen this before? I suddenly realized I might need a new victim dumping ground, even sooner than I thought.
They're really popular. They any good?
My kid loves them.